welcome to my channel. My name is Ashlyn and I am back with another video. For today's look, I am giving y'all this beautiful purple eye look. I'm so proud of this look. If I was never proud of a look before, I am proud of this one today. Like, this is so gorgeous. And I'm not sure if you can see all the details on camera that you can see in person, but I'm gonna need y'all to see the details because it's popping, okay? So anyways, if you like this look and you want to see how to get it, continue to watch. But first I want to say, if you like what you see so far, go ahead and give this video the thumbs up. Also, if you're not already, subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and do that as well. If you want to see how to get this look, continue to watch, and I'm going to jump right into the video. Okay, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to go ahead and jump straight into the eyes today. I'm going to be using my Morphe 35M palette, and I'm going to take a blending brush from my set from BH Cosmetics. The first color I'm going to go into is this purplish pink, orange pink. I'm not sure what color it is, but I want to use it. And this is going to be the transition color, so I'm going to put this in my crease. Y'all, I am not feeling this ponytail. I'm taking this out tomorrow. One, it's too bright. Like, it's like 2 shades too bright. Especially since I had to put gel and stuff in my hair and make it look darker. And I should have did a high ponytail instead of a low ponytail. So y'all, I'm really excited for today's look because I got this real live glitter that I want to use. For the next color, I'm going to take my Morphe M433 brush and go into this purple right here. I'm going to pack that under this pink shade. I honestly always try to go for as deep as a crease I can. Like, even if I'm doing like a really bright look, that crease has to be deep for me. Like, it's just such a habit. So I'm also going to take that purple color and buff it into the outer V. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. I'm just going to do a half moon cut crease today. Y'all can't tell me I ain't do this cut crease so clean. Ooh, stop playing with me. Clean crease, who is you, boo? My crease said, ah. I mean, I got a little transfer going on this side, but still, I'm proud. So I'm going to take that Morphe M433 brush in that purple color and just meet it with the concealer. This looks like a little bit of greenish white color, but I'm gonna use it anyway. And I'm going to place that on the concealer at the V area. lot of glitter. Alright, y'all, so now for the fun part. Okay, so this is some glitter that I ordered years ago from TKB, I think TKB Trading. I was trying to make lip glosses at the time. It wasn't working out well. Anyway, so I still have like a lot of freaking glitter left over. So this is one of them, and this is in the color Fairy Violet. This is an iridescent color, so it looks white, but it shows pink once you get it, you know, on something nice and moist. So I'm going to take some of it and pour it on my paper towel, and I'm going to take that. No, I'm gonna get a flat. I'm gonna get a fluffy fat brush and pick it. Oh, y'all, why y'all ain't say nothing? By the way, this is the NYX Pigment Primer. I'm going in like real heavy with it because I want y'all to be able to see it on camera, and I feel like y'all can't see it. So I'm gonna continue to add it until I feel like y'all do. And I might come back after I finish my face to put some more on, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face, and I'll be back to finish the eyes. Okay, y'all, so to finish the eyes, I'm going to go and first do the under eye part. I did not clean this brush, y'all, so I gotta rub it off on my paper towel. I'm gonna go back into that Morphe 35M palette, and I am going to take that first, was it this color? That first purple color we used, and I'm gonna run that down my lower lash line. I hate doing this part because my eyes are so sensitive. So, oh damn, lash came off. God damn. Alright, so I'm gonna take that fairy tale color. I think that's the Fairy Violet color, and stick it in my inner corner. And I'm also gonna to get off camera, finish my face, and I will be back with the finish. Oh, and I also just want to tell y'all, while I was off camera, I went and I actually put a base down. I put a base down for that pigment that we used. I used like a light purple color, and then I went back and put that glitter back on top of it just so it can show a little bit more. That's why you guys could probably see it more now than you did it. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look, and when I tell y'all, this look is stunning. Like, I'm so proud of this look. I really love it. I really love it. I cannot wait to get on Snapchat, y'all. Like, it just looks so good. I can't wait to go and show this face off. Anyway, so like I said, I really love this look. I really enjoyed making this video. Hopefully you all enjoyed the video as well. If you did, please give this video the thumbs up. Also, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, do that as well. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time on my next video.